What if Earth's core suddenly froze solid? What if the moon was never formed by a cosmic collision? And what if a giant gas planet wasn't standing guard to block incoming asteroids? You are the end result of a chain of coincidences so impossibly specific that it boggles the mind. But is Earth really just lucky? Or is it suspiciously perfect for life? A swirling outer core of liquid iron as hot as the surface of the sun, Jupiter dominating the outer solar system, an ancient ocean pond scum from 2 billion years ago. What connects these three completely unrelated things? If you removed just one of them from Earth's history, none of us would exist right now. Our lush, vibrant world would be nothing more than a dead, frozen, barren rock just like Mars. To start, Earth orbits a stable yellow dwarf star at a perfect distance of 150 million kilometers. This puts us right in the habitable Goldilocks zone, not boiling hot like Venus at 464 degrees Celsius and not frozen solid like Neptune at minus 200 degrees Celsius. This perfect temperature range allows liquid water to exist on our surface. Water acts as the universal solvent for life, driving every biological and chemical reaction in our body. 4.5 billion years ago, a protoplanet named Theia slammed into Earth, creating our moon. Proportionally, our moon is massive compared to Earth, and that huge collision tilted Earth on a permanent 23.5-degree axis. Without the moon's gravitational anchor, Earth's tilt would wobble wildly, causing lethal climate swing. Furthermore, without the moon, Earth would spin so fast that a day would last only 6 hours. Deep inside Earth, a liquid outer core of nickel and iron spins rapidly, generating massive electrical current. This creates an invisible magnetic shield, the magnetosphere, stretching deep into space. Without this shield, solar winds and cosmic radiation would have stripped away our atmosphere billions of years ago, leaving Earth completely exposed to deadly space radiation. Life requires the big six elements: carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, phosphorus, and sulfur. But scientists recently discovered a chemical Goldilocks zone. If Earth had too little oxygen during its formation, critical elements like phosphorus, needed for DNA, and nitrogen, needed for proteins, would have sunk into the core or escaped into space. Earth had the exact chemical recipe required to keep these nutrients in the mantle where life could use them. Earth's hot core powers an endless convection cycle, pushing magma up through tectonic plates, volcanoes, and deep-sea hydrothermal vents. Around 4 billion years ago, these deep ocean vents combined water, heat, and rich chemicals to spark the very first reproducing single-celled organism. Eventually, cyanobacteria evolved, filling the atmosphere with oxygen and paving the way for complex life. While early life was evolving, Jupiter stood guard in the outer solar system. As the heaviest planet, Jupiter's massive gravitational pull acts like a cosmic vacuum cleaner, pulling dangerous comets and asteroids into its own atmosphere, like Comet Shoemaker-Levy 9, preventing them from smashing into Earth and wiping out life before it could flourish. With so many impossibly perfect conditions lining up, scientists wonder, is this all just sheer cosmic luck? Or could Earth be an artificially designed simulation, a cosmic zoo created by a Kardashev Type 3 civilization? Or a carefully engineered planet? Yet, despite searching the cosmos, we have found zero evidence of alien hand. We appear to be the luckiest planet in the universe, or maybe we are looking at it all wrong. The Fermi paradox asks why we haven't found alien life among trillions of planets. Perhaps Earth seems suspiciously perfect simply because we are the product of these exact conditions. If conditions were different, a completely different form of life would be standing here asking the same question. Earth isn't necessarily fine-tuned for life. Life simply adapted perfectly to Earth.